Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we are on the property of Universal Orlando Resort and we're staying over here tonight at Cabana Bay Resort and we're staying on the Bayside Tower and we're going to give you a full tour of a Volcano Bay queen bed view. Come on in, check it out. And of course, Jake's going to give me a hand. Go ahead, Jake. Let's enter in the room. You use your room key to enter in. So when you first come in the room, you're going to find this outlet here that has this power button. So this will control all the power in the room. So you turn that on, and then as you'll see, you can have all your lights on. You can control them individually. It just gives power to the room. And Roberta, of course, has to show our keys. We love to do this. Oh, it's very dark.
Yeah.
So the keys are very dark.
Dark Universe, and this is both Fantastic Beasts and Harry Potter, and this one is the castle. Yay!
Okay, video's over. Just kidding. We just put all our luggage over on the side. We're actually staying a couple nights this time. So off to the left when you come in, I have my helpers here with me, Jake and Roberta. We have an iron. Thank you, Jake. And a full-length ironing board on this side with some hangers and some extra linens. You do have a wall safe. And this is the newest area of Cabana Bay Resort. This is just several years old, this tower here. You got a luggage rack, laundry bag, again, and some more hangers there. As we spin around to the right, you're gonna find your bathroom. You have a couple sconce lights there. Nice big size mirror.
Yeah.
But of course, remember the theming with Cabana Bay is a 1950s, 60s era Florida beach hotel. That's the theming you're looking at, although this is pretty modern for that era.
Yeah, yeah.
Hair dryer.
We got a hair dryer, wall hair dryer, thank you. You're gonna have your linens. Actually, we're gonna need, oh no, we have enough for everybody. No, so we'll have to go out.
No, we have more in there. It's hanging.
Oh, we have more than enough.
Yeah,
so they do supply enough for 4. Then you're gonna have, you know, your bathroom here, your toilet. You have a full-length mirror on the door right there. In this video, guys, we're also going to be doing a review of our stay when we check out. So it'll be all in one video. It will, right after the tour, vlog time 2 seconds, you'll see the review of things that we liked and didn't like about the room. You got some more bar soap there. This is all glass. It's a sliding door. Here's your shower head. It's got the control there for different settings. You have a clothesline that comes out if you want to dry your bathing suits. And then they kind of got away. They used to have the little bottles of the VO5. Again, retro products even. Now they have those big industrial resort size where they just keep refilling them so you cannot, basically they don't want to waste. Let's head out to the other side. But before I do, I want to show you there is a hook right there. I don't know what's on the back of this door actually, if there's another hook. No. I will tell you the room feels very clean. It smells good. It's bright. I mean, it's simple, the white, but it has that accent blue wall. And look it outside. Yeah. We'll save that. So again, guys, this is theming, okay? You might be saying, oh, he just said this is the newest expansion of Cabana Bay Resort, but the theming is going to be retro.
Correct.
50s, 60s. That's why you have these colors and these kind of designs.
This one is individually controlled, top and bottom.
Oh, very good.
So individually controlled.
Very good. So it looks like a couple pillows each bed, but there was an extra in the closet. Jake's amused by the analog clock.
Yeah.
And Jake does know how to tell time. Jake, what time's that clock say?
3:30.
3:30,
job,
I
Jake.
think, is the time to go to the pool too.
Yeah.
There's a drawer here, by the way, and 4 outlets. 4 outlets.
Any USBs there?
No.
Wow, that's kind of odd.
Yeah.
That they don't have that, especially with it, you know. I know theming is one thing, but at least convenience. You have another little table here.
These are regular drawers.
You have a
Coffee?
like a ceiling light coming down. That's cool.
Yeah. Then this one. Oh, they have USB here.
Here's one. Okay.
Yeah.
We do have one there.
Yeah.
I don't know. That almost looks like a computer. That looks pretty big.
Or this one? No, this is USB and the rest one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for that, Roberta.
Yeah. So coffee, ice bucket.
Plenty of storage there.
Yeah.
And then that's going to be a refrigerator.
Yeah. I want to know where should the light off for that. I think where's the shut the light off for that one?
Well, there is a button.
No, that
Try that top button.
No, I think
Oh,
it's
try
this
that.
one. Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this one controls that.
Good.
Yeah, individually, yeah.
I did notice this. There's not like a lot of information in here now because everything's digital. But I'm a little old school. I kind of like when I would walk into a resort and they'd have a little pamphlet, something to read. It looks like you can get pizza to go and in-room pizza delivery as well. Yeah, so that's kind of neat. Although I don't know how good it would be. I'm sure it'd be expensive though, I can promise you that. Let's go have a look at the view. So you can see, like, as Jake and Roberta are standing in front of that window is huge. It's basically a wall of window.
That's really good.
And you can have a beautiful view, not just of Cabana Bay, Volcano Bay, but also part of Orlando over there. That's Icon Park. You can zoom in there. It's very cool. I bet you it looks awesome at night.
Yeah.
So, but yeah.
From here, you can really see the volcano. From
Over here?
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah.
And the whole time I've been coming to this first one, and I've been like, oh, it's a little bit of a obstructed view. I didn't even realize.
Yeah.
That is gorgeous. And we're on, what, the 5th floor?
5th floor.
So this would go up another several floors, so you can imagine the view when you get up even higher.
Yeah.
But that is so neat just to look out. And if you've never been to Volcano Bay, you're looking, if you think that's big, this park's much bigger than that because it expands way over to the right side as well.
Yeah.
There's a lot of slides there, lots of other pools on the other side of that volcano, couple different lazy rivers, the Rapid River. It's a lot of fun. So guys, what we're gonna do now is, now that we have completed this room tour, what we like to do is we don't just do the room tour. We have one vlog with the room tour, and in the same vlog, once again, we're going to give you a review of the room, such as does the AC work right? Did we hear noise in the hallway? Was the bed comfortable? That's coming up right now. Vlog time, 2 seconds. All right, guys, and just like that, it's time for the review of the room here at Cabana Bay, the Volcano Bay View room, 2 queen beds. What you guys got?
It's nice.
And it's nice, Jake?
No fan though.
Yeah.
Jake is saying no fan. He is a big fan. He is a big fan of fans in the room. Roberta, you? Anything
the
else?
room?
Oh wait, Jake. Was there anything you particularly liked or didn't like besides the fan? Anything else?
I wish there was a fan in the bathroom.
So basically, fans.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Roberta, you?
Shower's good. Hair products, you know, especially with conditioner, if you like something, you may want to bring your own.
Hair products are good.
I had no problem with the hair products,
but
although
if you want to bring like something for conditioner.
it's the VO5 brand products here.
Bed, I had a hard time sleeping. The pillows are hard, maybe.
Oh, bed's nice.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Bed worked fine for me. No issues with the bed. So it's all a preference.
Preference, yes. The room is spacious. I like it.
I love the room.
It does have, like, it's for in like a nice size closet. I think has plenty of space.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's more like, for me, it's more like like I said, preference. The pillows are preference. Bed is preference. The bed is not that bad, but I had a hard time sleeping on it.
You did, yeah. For me, I really enjoyed the room.
Yeah.
I did not hear anything out in the hallways at all.
No.
I will say, after like 7 in the morning, though, you can start to hear like cars traveling back and forth here. You'll hear them like, you know, using the blowers and
Yeah.
doing some like power work.
Yeah.
over at Volcano Bay.
And you could hear slightly. You could hear like when the volcano goes off the waves.
Yeah.
But it's not enough for me.
I think the room was great. It's modern.
Yeah.
It's nice, even though it has the awesome retro feel of the resort theming. So I really like the room myself, and I do recommend staying here. It's very convenient, especially if you're going to Volcano Bay, because it's right across the street. You can walk. It has a designated walking area to get there. So, guys, what do you think?
But again, like I think we
like
talk.
it.
AC was excellent.
AC was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was.
No
cold
big
tonight.
complaints, anyway.
No, just everything's preference. Excuse me. We talk about this in another vlog. So if you're staying on one of the towers for the Volcano Bay, it's very far away from everything.
For
So-
resort-wise.
For resort-wise, this specifically room in this tower. So just keep that in mind. If you like, especially like if you go to the lobby a lot, if you're here with the car and you just get groceries and you don't go to the area a lot, if you just go to the pool out here, you're fine. But if you're gonna use the lobby a lot to eat or, you know, go to the other side, it's very far away from everything else.
Yeah, it's a
So-
good walk.
Yeah.
But just keep that in mind.
Yeah.
But for us, it didn't bother because I think it was fine.
It was. All right, guys. Thank you so
Yeah.
much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment. Subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya.